Well, hello, I'm Matt Coyle and this is my partner Ying Coyle, and we're pleased to announce that this house behind us, 302 Grove Street, is coming to market this weekend, I believe.
Yeah, this Saturday and Sunday we will have open houses. Details say below.
And the home is located in the beautiful neighborhood of Dana Hall in Wellesley, Massachusetts, and this house is priced to sell. So if you're interested in living in a great town with a great community and looking for a great K through 12 public school to send your kids, this is the house.